Hey guys, welcome to today's video. It has been a rough month. I've been doing everything I can possibly think of to feel better, to feel a little bit prettier. I ordered so many things on Amazon, and my Amazon, by the way, is a situation where I order it and I feel like a couple of hours later sometimes it arrives. I don't understand literally how Amazon gets it done so quickly, but I've had a minute to try a lot of these things, and I have another box that I wanted to kind of open on camera that my husband was making fun of me over because of the random goods inside. So we'll be digging through some things that I have yet to play with. But you should know, I also have discoveries that are so epically good, like what I have in my hand right here. We've got some skincare. I do actually have some makeup items that I want to open with you guys that I thought the packaging was super cool. You guys know I love finding that kind of a thing on Amazon, specifically like where the component's really different and display worthy. A lot of Korean beauty has beautiful packaging, and sometimes when I'm checking out on Amazon specifically, it'll give me like 5 options of different things that just look really, really cool, and I'm such a packaging junkie. I always want to figure out like, how did they do that? Like, is it as cool in person as it is online? So I am happy to try all of those weird things for you guys. If you ever want me to, if you see something, send me a DM with a photo, leave it in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Okay, you're probably wondering what on the planet is in my hand right here. She has been unwell for like a month and a half, like on and off. I'm like throaty. I'm like, my voice is gone. It's here, it's back. My lungs hurt, headache. Never once had a fever, mystery illness. You guys, I am a healthy woman. I am a supplement, healthy eating, working out woman. And so to be out for the count as much as I was over the past like month and a half, like I don't even know what else I can possibly do on this planet. Drink more tea, get a nose gua sha, and maybe start doing a castor oil liver pack in the evening because my night routine is clearly not enough as is. All right, jokes aside, you guys, I got this because I just really wanted to see if I could get like lymphatic drainage going on the side of my nose. Is this the dumbest thing you've ever seen? Maybe, but it feels so good. If you get tension right between your nose right here, where I feel like my glasses, I need to get a lighter frame. I don't know if I can get a lighter lens because I'm blind as can be. My like lenses are actually really, really thick and kind of heavy, but my glasses, they like sit heavy on my nose. And then this part actually can feel kind of bruised. And so I got this guy right here to like massage. And I'm not gonna ruin my makeup right now, but like, oh my gosh, it feels so good. I am still so into the massage your face game. I'm all about it. And I will forever be trying new gadgets and all of that stuff you guys know. Now, as far as skincare, I found something on Amazon that is so affordable for what it is. It is free of so many of your more questionable, irritating ingredients. I have no affiliation with this company. This is just one of those out of left field that I'm like, wow. Like, I am jealous that they made this packaging the way they did, that they innovated the way they did, you guys. This is a melting oil balm, cleansing balm type of a guy right here. The brand is Dr. Althea. I don't know much about this brand. We're in the realm of K-beauty. I want glass skin. I'm on that journey. So when I'm taking my makeup off at night right now, what's nice is you literally twist this guy. It's so satisfying. It like shaves just a little bit of your cleansing balm into this top lid right here. Very sanitary. You're not digging your nails and your fingers in. You're not getting too much product because sometimes with a balm cleanser, it's easy to just grab way too much and then you have like this waxy situation on the face. So this right here, I think is just the coolest. Like I've seen this for moisturizer. I've never ever seen a balm cleanser that has this kind of a lid, and I just find it so satisfying. This is under $20. I will have everything listed and linked below. Now, navigating there right now is a little bit tricky as far as the description box. I feel like I myself, as an avid YouTube lover and user and creator, like I have a hard time being like, wait, where do I hit expand? Like it feels like it's gotten a little more complicated, but I want you guys to know everything I can ever list in the description box, I will. My outfit is old. We're not gonna be listing this, but like any jewelry or anything that I think would be helpful for you guys, I will always have it in the description. Don't miss out on expanding that, especially with like an Amazon video like this one. So we love this. I am gonna start doing this. We're hopping from skincare to liver pack. Who has tried this? Educate me, tell me. I mean, obviously I've done a lot of research. A lot of people swear by this. I already am a castor oil queen. I love putting it on my feet. I love putting it in the belly button. That is an Ayurvedic medicinal treatment that you can do to detox. Now I'm gearing up to put this on as a liver pack overnight. So my morning wrap or unwrapping in the morning is getting so effing out of hand. All right, I keep layering more crap in, and my poor husband, like every week I order something new and it's like, okay, well, what do you got now? Now we're like, you know, doing the silk bonnet and we have the eye thing and we've got the tape, which you guys, okay, Skin Gym. I tried other mouth tapes. When I ran out of these, I ordered 3 more. I bought them myself. I have never gotten better sleep in my life than when I have used mouth tape. I feel like it actually is sharpening up my jaw. I know there's a lot of controversy of like, does it actually do that? Does it not? It's because it improves your tongue posture, and breathing through your nose will improve that all night long. More is kind of like the journey that I'm on. So we're mouth taping with Skin Gym. I don't like their tape for the face. I use a different brand for that. They did send me a free gold foil face mask. That'll be fun. Now I'm going to add this in the mix. I have started oiling my feet at night, but then no, that's like not good enough. We have something else in here. Oh shoot, you know what? And before we go there, I got a thyroid castor oil pack. Okay, so this was the box that James opened up and he was like, are you okay? Like, are we okay? Like, what is going on in here? This is the most random box from Amazon that I have ever seen. And he's not wrong, because here we have moisturizing heel socks. So just please, just envision me at night. Tape Talks on the forehead, and I have like little silicone patches. And now I've got my mouth tape, and I've got a thyroid pack and a liver pack. And we've got moisturizing heel socks. I have my hair in some overnight curls and a bonnet. And because I can't see, I'm also wearing big, huge glasses. And I look a hot mess. I look good during the day. Let's just leave it there. I'm all about like go to bed looking crazy, but look good during the day. So that's kind of where I'm at with all of this. Let's see what else we have in this box. Oh, we got more stuff for my heels, because clearly I feel like I want to have even softer feet. So the heel sock thing, those work really, really well. If you want to just do socks with castor oil, that works really, really well. Pro tip, if you put a retinol serum or a heavy glycolic on your feet, if they're a little rough, like after you pumice them, that's a beautiful thing to do. Then go in with a thicker moisturizer, what have you, put on the socks, great. So if you're into like an obsession of having soft feet, I'm going to be trying these out. These are the Heel Protective Adhesive Patches from Teawoo. Zinc oxide added, all day comfort. I don't know, I feel like you can put these on while you're like wearing regular shoes. Okay, I also decided I wanted to be a better nurturer of my handbags and just like taking care of the things I already have so that they last a very, very long time. And I was noticing that my bags were getting kind of misshapen. Now, James seems to think that this is something you have to do right when you buy a nice bag, that it can't remedy a situation. If anyone can please tell me, I have a beautiful YSL bag that literally when we moved, it got thrown, no duster bag, no nothing, into like a wardrobe, one of the like brown wardrobe hanger things. And it has never returned to its like original shape. It's like kind of bent in the back, and I'll try to stuff it with things to like stretch it out, and I can't seem to fix it. Not the biggest deal in the world, but it's a classic. I want to keep it forever. I would like to find a fix, because when I wear it right now, it just looks so dumb. It's like bent in the back and I can't seem to figure it out. Anyway, long story short, I got purse inserts. This one's more expensive. Actually, I don't really know what to put it in, like my Valentino. But these right here, not too expensive, and you get, I want to say 100. Came with a weird lint roller. I don't know. This is so cheap. Why did I buy this? You just blow these up. Oh, I got lipstick all over that. How are you supposed to do this? What the heck are you supposed to do? Do you put this thing in there and blow in this? I'm not doing that. What are you doing? Oh. Gotta be. This is not going well. You guys. I feel like the balloon animal lady, but this is for my handbags. Well, actually, You've redeemed yourself. That's actually quite cool. And then you put it in your handbags, I guess. More stuff I just didn't know I needed. Also, you guys, I wish I could like rip this thing off right here and show you. Genius organizational move. I have a paper towel holder underneath my desk so that when I'm making all of my many messes, I just like pull it and it never gets in the way. And it's like, oh my gosh, it's one of those tiny little things that I'm like, why did I not do this sooner? It has changed my makeup life. My mirrors are clean. My brushes are clean. Everything is nice. If I have an accident, woo, I have it right here on hand and it's like out of the way, but underneath I will link the one that I got because I bought a couple of them. And this is the nice one that just like, it was really easy to install. Okay. I hope you're enjoying the randomness of this, you guys. I'm just kind of like in a mood and like, I wanted to share all this stuff with you and that's it. I don't have a better story than that. I did get cute earrings. Let's look at that because that's fun. These are ear cuffs. I'm trying to honor the fact that I do believe I am a soft summer and I want to be wearing more silver jewelry and I didn't have any silver cuffs. That's so cute. I actually really love that. Love, immediate, yes. Should I just go and get my ear pierced? I put that on my vision board for this year, if anyone wanted to know. I think I want to pierce my ears just cause. I think it looks cool. Grand finale of this box, you guys. I got a Squatty Potty and I think this was one of those purchases where I was like sick in bed and feeling sorry about everything in my life and just like I need to improve things and have a better attitude. And like what better than to get a Squatty Potty so I can go to the bathroom appropriately. I don't know why you need to know this. This is probably the weirdest thing a beauty channel could ever share with you, but posture for when you're on the toilet is key. I think it's important. Back to beauty. Let's dive into these packages right here because they look appetizing, don't they? All right, this one is from Muzigae. Muzigae. On the back it says, the hidden finish of water. I've turned myself to drama, fading in, fading out. Like they all have these like different little quotes on them, but check out this packaging. Stop it right now. It smells like hairspray, but the packaging is like, I think it's the coolest thing ever. It looks like a little, like an artist's paint tube. And then I thought that this was just like so beautiful. Ooh, this is my kind of color too, you guys. Holy smokes. All right, so I'm going to apply a little, obviously. I'm taking a little bit of Cool Spice. I couldn't help myself. I got all the MAC lippies. I'm trying them out. You guys really liked the IG story where I showed you guys Yash. I was on the fence. But you supported me and helped me feel different about it. Okay, we're gonna try this one. This is really beautiful, pinky nude, matte. Wow, that's actually really stunning. Did I just find like the hidden gem of hidden gems? I feel fabulous. I feel so good. That is really, really beautiful. And you guys, let me show you. P.S. Just like a follow-up, 7:26 at night. I've had my foundation on for a hot minute under hot lights. I am wearing yet again the Anastasia foundation. It is so good. I'm so happy that so many of you are trying it and loving it. I will link that video below, but like, oof, it makes me feel pulled together and in like a good makeup mood. Like I like it so much. All right, let's see what other color I got here. I think this is another one of these guys. I really love that lipstick. This is in the shade 005. Again, I will list everything in the description box. This is Korean Beauty. I'm botching up the name left, right, center. I felt like this was supposed to be more nude. I got 001 and 008. And something that was exciting me about this brand, seeing it online, was that the nudes looked really nice and like light, fluffy neutral, which typically you don't see with K-Beauty. And this swatched is just giving a little more red orange than I would like. I love their formulas. I love the packaging, but a lot of the time the shades just look really, really bad on me. But, you know, cute packaging. I'll have to try these guys later. Honey Melting Lip. So clearly I was on a lip adventure and I ordered a few different lip items that I had never seen. Now this one on Amazon, honestly, it looks sparkly delicious. Like you have to have it, add to cart. I want it right now. And looking at it just like here in my studio, it's not that impressive. Oh, I'm underwhelmed. It looks like Tarte's, you know, Maracuja lip, but it's not juicy. It's like a little more firm. Not bad, not great. Also, I do want to share with you guys Anua. Now, this is something that we see on Schmick Schmuck quite a bit. They had sent me a lot of their products for acne-prone skin. I don't have acne, so like I never really got down with their products, but they have a rice ceramide line. And this particular cleanser, it is one of those dry cleansers that you add water to and it foams up. It has a little bit of a grittiness to it, so you feel like you're exfoliating the skin manually at the same time, but it's not harsh. I'm loving this. Not crazy expensive at all. Really love ceramides. If you know, you know. This one is a hit. All right, moving right along. I have kind of a weird one right here for you guys. I thought this would be a good idea, and I think it's gonna be one that we'll have to come back to because I want to use a lip stain marker to contour my lips underneath foundation. Like, I just thought that would be a really good makeup trick. But this one from Palladio looked to be the most contoury, whereas typically lip stain markers are more berry toned, red toned, plum toned. This one looked really nice. Yeah, that's gonna work. That's gonna be perfect. You don't wanna put this on top of a gloss. You really wanna have a bare lip going on if you do a lip stain. And I'm just thinking I could quickly contour with it, blot it off, put everything else on, and maybe give a little more of a juicy, full appearance to my lips through the magic of makeup and the illusion of makeup. All right, I have one last thing to share with you guys that I've had for months now, and I keep meaning to share it. Oh my God, embarrassing. I didn't clean it before this video. But if you have been curious about these little lint rollers, this will save you every single time. It literally, like you can pop it in your purse if you're traveling, pop it with you on the go. You take this little jelly ball out, you just rinse it with some warm water. It cleans up really easily and you're not gonna have lint on you, nor are you gonna get from lint tape, like the stickies that kind of attract more dust and lint to you. Having something like this, it's not very expensive at all. And it truly is, like, no hype, it truly is like one of the greatest little gadgets that you can purchase off Amazon. All right, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, go ahead and give the video a thumbs up. I thank you so much for being here. I know I had scaled it down to like one video a week for a minute because she's like lost her voice and is still kind of struggling through it. It is what it is at this point. I'm like, sit down, play with makeup, talk about the things. So I'm here and ready to be back at it full time. I am going to be doing lives again. Leave me comments of what you want to see in upcoming videos, lives, etc. All the things. I want to hear from you, hear your requests. And other than that, go and have a great day, whatever you are doing. I love you guys, and I will see you all in my next video. Mwah.